and welcome to Winpro tutorial. Today we are talking about warehouse and inventory modules. Let's get into that. We have here ad stores. Ad stores in the sense of many business they having more than a store. Same similar kind of a store or different kind of stores, but the business having more stores. For example, some of them having 20, 30, 50 stores, similar kind or different kind. For example, you have garments, you have supermarket, you have chain business. It's called chain business. So you could have many stores. So in to save, in order to save the mismatch of the data, we separated each and every store in an individual number so that the data could not be mismatched. It's a very simple. Add stores. Here a store number will be automatically, or you can manually type a store name. What is the store name you want to type? Address, phone number. GL account is not inventory because we may manage it before backend. Brand, what is the brand you want to keep? Brand code, if you have the brand code. Office, city, VAT number for this store, VAT number. Commercial registration number. Store size, this is for the budget and all. If you type the store size, number of store staff you want to keep. The cost center, what is the cost center of the company will be coming. Organization, entire company. Retail, store type, it's a retail, wholesale, DC. And then sales commission, what is the percent of commission you will be giving. And then at the finally you have to type it, save. Once you save, this information will be in the list. For example, I did one is enter things without or with some of the failed. Then I said save. If I say save, it will be saved because you have already, so it's updated. This is how add stores. Registers in the sense of each and every store. Maybe you have more than one cash box. For example, one store you have 3 cash box. So how are you gonna be identify? If you add the cash box, each and every cash box, so you can identify which cash did what sell. So it's a simple thing, like what is the store name and what is the cash box number of cash box you want to add. For example, I will be adding another number of 16. I will be adding, so this is 16 number will be adding. This is how it is. Hello and welcome to Winpro-erp tutorial. Today we are going to talk about warehouse management and how to create the definition. Definition in the sense of each and every product having different definition. For example, we're gonna talk about garments. Garments having totally different definition. The product size, product color, product what is called model, SKU. Same thing in the further supermarket items like grocery items. You gotta have different sizes, different SKU model number. So how we gonna add? It's a very simple thing to add here. We gotta have department. Which department? Under what department? For example, in garments you have kids, girls, women, newborn baby. So you can add this. For example, here they have this, put the department called glass. For example, I'll be putting one of them, sorry, two. I'll be type here a name, for example, kids. This is a kids department. Name in Arabic, whatever the kids is coming, save. So this is how department. Then we gotta have category. What category it is? Category, you can, for example, here in the category part, parent category, we gotta have the parent category. Parent category, what? I write it down. For example, I'll write it down glass. Under the glass, this is the glass. Under the glass, what is that down category you want to? For example, it's a sunglass. So it will be under the category sunglass. Sunglass, it's a name Arabic. We can put the name Arabic, save. So it will be under the category. Okay, so if you got, see, glass, under the glass it's a sunglass. So this is the category, it will be showing you the category. Okay, now this is, you see here, we gotta see here under the category it's a sunglass. Okay, same thing, model. Each we can create the model. Okay, for example, it's actually model is coming with the along with the product. So for example, one model code where you type in here, for example, 2, and model code we write 2233. This is a model code. Let's say its name, sorry, its name might be, model is shard. We can write it down shard in Arabic name, whatever it is Arabic name, we can write it down. So this will be under the model. It's the same brand. If you have different brand, you can add different brand color. If you want to add the color, see we have just black color, so you can add number of colors. If you want size, you want to create size, whatever the size you want to keep predefined. It's like a predefined. When you create the barcode, so it can become automatically everything. So in that part, make it easy, we have create define here. Once you create once you define here, so that part will be easy, you don't have to type every time. Same thing, season, group, description, vendor, and units sometimes it's a different. For example, some p says liter, kg, so kilogram which is called. So it will be done, it can be also predefined here. Years, so years in the sense of like which year it has been manufactured. So at the end, when you want to do the consolidated report for the which year, what is the production, and what I did, good sale, bad sale, so and what I have to do the markdown, I have to do the business analyzation for that one year is much more better to do. Thank you for watching with us.